head is hurting pretty bad this morning. We didn't go to bed until 12:30 last night. But I'm gonna do this because I said I was going to. If I can keep my eyes open long enough. Never give up. Just never give up. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna do it. This really is the first morning that I didn't want to get up. And it's because I went to bed too late last night. Got to get to bed earlier. We have to have less stuff to do in a day. I'm hoping that this helps. I'm not a big fan of taking medicine. I don't want to drink too much. How ready are you to go today after leg day yesterday?
This is an unfair question, and I'll tell you why. I hate anything to do with legs. I mean, I like to be able to walk. I like my legs, and I like looking at her leg. Okay, so what I mean to say, I don't like to work out legs. I don't know why, like, it doesn't make sense in my mind why I would pick a body part and not want to work that out. I do it out of necessity. You know, friends don't let friends skip leg day. So I don't want to run today the equal amount that I didn't want to run any other day. See what I'm saying?
It's just normal.
Do you guys get what I'm saying there? I've not committed to this. I don't know if you all have figured out yet that Sarah changed from a week to a month. I don't know what the benefit is. She already works out.
I know, but just
a goal, just a challenge.
Something to do.
I need to come up with my own challenge.
Challenge our viewers to it.
I got it. I'm going to challenge myself to sleep in every day for a month.
I don't think you can do that.
If it's a challenge, I'll have to be dedicated. Like right now. It's after 6:50, by the way.
I know. I got going late this morning.
Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this run video. I'm going to go back to bed. I got a new challenge. Can't miss that again. Have fun with your challenge.
I'm going to warm up and then go for a run.
What is that?
This is a flower I found.
Dare you to eat it?
No. Pretty sure it's a magnolia flower.
Okay, we're like over halfway.
My head is killing me. Like every time I bounce, it's like ping, ping, ping.
What's it like?
It hurts.
Could get her to do it again.
I think I'm going to have to take an Advil when I get home. That way I can make it through the day, because it is only 7:30. A little bit late for my run.
We're doing all right.
I think that the fact that I got out of bed and I'm doing it. My shirt this morning, when I woke up, said, never give up. That's what I'm doing this morning. I'm not giving up regardless of how crummy I feel. Because that's what I said I was going to do. For 1 month, run every day.
She's doing all right.
I'm out. I'm not in bed.
I personally think sometimes the hardest thing is just to get up in the first place. You got up, we're here, we're halfway. I think we got to go run though.
Yep, we do.
That's the purpose. It kind of smells like lake right now though. I'll take that over smog though.
That's true.
Right. Okay, we're going to run.
Trees.
We're back.
And I'm not very sweaty this morning. I did not push hard.
We're not actually back. We didn't run. We didn't go anywhere.
Then why does my hair look like this?
It looked like that earlier. Yeah, if you tried to shuffle up your hair to make it look like you ran.
I didn't do a good job.
This isn't sweat coming off my head. I just went in, rinsed my face, came out, sat down. Well, thanks for watching the run vlog. Can I get back to bed now? I have a challenge to keep up with.
That you do. 2 more days and then it'll be a full week of running, and then 3 more weeks after that. I'm actually looking forward to it. My head hurts, but I feel better after having ran. What's that? You don't think I'm gonna do it for a month?
No, just the whole, I think I'm looking forward to it. Like 20 minutes ago, you were not looking forward to it.
That's true. I feel better now that I've done it though.
You see how that goes? Motivation right there, hashtag motivation.
You feel better after you get out and do it. Even if you don't want to, just do it and you'll feel better. Never give up.
Hashtag never give up. Hashtag we gotta go. Hashtag workouts at home.